Well, we're keeping an eye on these thunderstorms pressing out of Minnesota into Wisconsin this morning. Good morning. I'm Bill McMillan with NDWX.com and your Thursday morning weather brief. There is the chance that at least a portion of this complex impacts central and northern portions of the state later this evening, ahead of what is likely a more widespread line of thunderstorms that moves in late tonight. The Storm Prediction Center does continue to include northern and east central Indiana in a slight risk of severe weather. Again, this is primarily for tonight's activity, and the greatest concern with some of the stronger or potentially severe thunderstorms would be large hail and damaging wind. As we time things out here, the high-resolution NAM is struggling a bit with handling the convection off to our northwest this morning. Still thinks that at least scattered convection does move through the northern half of the state between about 4 and 8 o'clock this evening before a more widespread flare-up of thunderstorm activity takes place to our north across northern Illinois, southern Michigan late tonight between 8 and 10 o'clock or so. It's that line as it sinks off to the south and eventually begins to weaken once it arrives into central Indiana, that has more potential, if you will, for stronger thunderstorm activity. That's what we'll continue to keep a very close eye on, and then, as mentioned, it really diminishes and falls apart as it moves into central Indiana, and we very well may be looking at mostly dry conditions for the rush hour on Friday morning. We'll keep a close eye on things. We'll update it as needed. You can follow us online at NDWX.com All Access for a more in-depth look at the overall pattern as we head into late month, and look ahead also to the overall summer pattern as well. Make it a fantastic Thursday, and we'll talk with you soon.